Students, before explaining the answers, I will show you the question paper. So here, time 1 hour, marks 20, and each question carries 1 mark except 5 questions. So here, first question, second, third, fourth question, fifth question, sixth question, 2 marks. Next, seventh question, also 2 marks. Eighth question, ninth, 10th, 11th question, 2 marks. 12th question, also 2 marks. 13th question, 14th question, and 15th question. So the first question is 1 mark, first question. So he gave 2 progressions, 1 and 2 are 2 progressions, then which of them is a geometry progression? And 4 options given, only B. Next, option A only 1, option B only 2, option C 1 and 2 both, option D none of them. One thing you remember, give the explanation of your answer according to the marks. So it is 1 mark question, so 1 mark level answer you give. So to verify the geometry progression, we need to take the ratios. So the first ratio is A2 divided by A1. So A2 value minus 1.5 by minus 1.0. Your minus cancel and decimal point also cancel. So 15 by 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are. So 3 by 2 is the first ratio answer. Next, second ratio is A3 by A2 minus 2.0 minus 1.0. Your minus cancel. So 20 by 15. So 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15. So 4 by 3. So here differences are not ratios are not equal. So it is not a geometry progression. Next, second progression is same. Find out the ratios. A2 by A1. A2 means second term, A1 means first term. Minus cancel, 3 by 1, it is equals to 3. Next, second ratio A3 by A2. So A3 value minus 9 and A2 value minus 3. So minus cancel, 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. So here ratios are equal. So definitely the given progression will be in the geometry progression. So only second progression is a geometry progression. So option B is correct. Okay. Second question, in geometry progression formula an equals to a into r to the power of n minus 1, r denotes. So r denotes means common ratio. So it is direct answer. Okay, not a multiple choice question. Next, third one is find the common difference of an arithmetic progression whose third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. So it is 2 mark question. So A3 equals to 5. So that means A plus 2D equals to 5, equation 1. Next to A plus 6D equals to 9, equation 2. So he is asking what is a common difference. So just you subtract equation 1 and equation 2. So here A plus 2D equals to 5 and A plus 6D equals to 9. So then when you subtracting the two equation, you should change the symbols. So plus a minus a cancel. 2d minus 6d is minus 4d and 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Then d equals to minus 4 by minus 4. Minus cancel. So d value 1. Next, fourth question, find the common difference of an arithmetic progression in which a25 minus a12 equals to minus 52. So the difference between 25th term and 12th term is minus 52. Then what is a common difference? So A25 means A plus 24D minus, here take the bracket, very important, A12 means A plus 11D, it is equals to minus 52. A plus 24D, now remove the bracket, so automatically symbols will get changed, so it is equals to minus 52 plus A minus A cancel, 24D minus 11D is 13D, it is equals to minus 52, then D equals to minus 52 divided by 13. So here 13 ones are 13, 13 fours are, so D value is minus 4. Next to fifth question, which of the following geometry progression has the common ratio as root 2? So he gave 4 options. So which geometry progression has a common ratio as a root 2? See, first option A, A2 divided by A1. So A2 equals to root 6 by root 2. Root 6 can write as a under root 2 3s are 6, it is equals to by root 2. Now root 2 into root 3, we can apply the square root for root 2 and for 3 individually, and then root 2 cancel, so then it is equals to root 3. But as per the question we need root 2, but here we got root 3, so option A is wrong. Second option, root 3 comma root 6 comma root 12 dash. So here common ratio A2 divided by A1. So A2 value root 6 and A1 value root 3. So root 6 can write as a 2 into 3 divided by root 3. Now apply the square root for 2 and for 3 individually. So root 3, here root 3 cancel, root 2. So here the common ratio is root 2. But anyhow, let's verify one more ratio, because in the second case whether we will get root 2 or not, then only we can say it is a common ratio, na? So let's find out the one more ratio, that is A3 divided by A2. So here A3 is root 12 divided by root 6, it is equals to root 12. Root 12 means 4 3s are 12 divided by under root 2 into 3. Now square root of 4 into root 3 divided by root 2 into root 3. Here root 3 cancel, root 4 answer is 2 divided by root 2. Now 2 can write as a root 2 whole square divided by root 2. Root 2 square cancel, it is equals to root 2. In the two cases we got the same answer, so definitely option B containing the common ratio as a root 2. Anyhow, let's verify the C option also. So A2 divided by A1 equals to A2 root 15 divided by root 5. Root 15 can write as a 3 5s are 15 divided by root 5. Now apply the root for 3 and for 5 individually, root 5. So here ratio is root 3, so it is not containing the root 2. Option C wrong. Let's verify the option D. Here A2 divided by A1 equals to root 21 divided by root 7. Root 21 can write as a 3 7s are 21 divided by root 7. So root 3 into root 7 divided by root 7. So here root 7 cancel, it is equals to root 3, but it is not equals to root 2. Option D also wrong. So finally option B is correct. Okay. Next, sixth question, find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. It is 2 mark question. Let's write the list of first 100 natural numbers. So 1 2 3 4 dash 100. Let's verify whether these are in AP or not. So here 2 minus 1 is 1, A3 minus A2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So here ratios are differences are common, so then the list of the numbers are in the AP. So here first term A, that is 1, and common difference 2 minus 1, it is also 1. Let's find out the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So n by 2 of A plus L, because last term is available, that is why I am taking n by 2 of A plus L. Now S 100, because there are total 100 natural numbers, serial, that to serial natural number, so definitely 100 will be there. 100 by 2 into a means 1, L means 100, so it is equals to 100 by 2 is 50 into 1 plus 100 is 101. See, 5 into 101 is 505 and it's beside 0, so 5050 is the sum of first 100 natural numbers. Next, seventh question, A, B, C are in GP, geometry progression, then what is the B value? So it is 2 mark questions. See here, A, B, C are in geometry progression. So that means they have a common ratio now. So first ratio is what? A2 by A1. Second ratio is what? A3 by A2. So A2 means B, and these ratios are equal. A1 means A, it is equals to A3 means C, A2 means B. So but he is asking what is a B value, so then do cross multiplication. So B into B equals to C into A, B square equals to C into A means A into C, both are same, then B equals to under root AC, so the B value is root AC. So option C is correct. Next, eighth one, in an arithmetic progression, fourth term is 11, seventh term is 17, then find the common difference. So fourth term means a plus 3d equals to 11, equation 1. Next, a plus 6d equals to 17, equation 2. So by elimination method, subtract the both equation. So a plus 3d equals to 11, a plus 6d equals to 17. So now change the symbols, plus a minus a cancel, 3d minus 6d is minus 3d, 11 minus 17 is minus 6, then d equals to minus 6 by minus 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so d equals to 2, so the common difference is 2. Next, ninth question, if the common difference of AP is 2, then find A10 minus A5. See here, A10 minus A5 equals to, A10 means A plus 9D minus, here take the bracket, A plus 4D, it is equals to A plus 9D, now remove the bracket, minus A minus 4D, plus A minus A cancel, so 9D minus 4D, 9D minus 4D is 5D, so 5 into D value 2, 5 2s are 10, so A10 minus A5 answer is 10. Next, 10th question, in a GP the 5th term is 32 and 7th term is 128, then find common ratio of GP. So in a GP, A5 means A into R to the power of 4 equals to 32, equation 1, and in the GP A7 means A into R to the power of 6 equals to 128, equation 2. So to find out the common ratio, we need to do division of the two equations. Here highest power is 6, so second equation divided by first equation, second equation LHS A into R power 6 and equation 1 LHS A into R to the power of 4, and second equation RHS 128 and first equation RHS is 32, A cancel, so here 4 8s are 32, here 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8 1s are 8 4s are 32. Now here R power 6 by R power 4 means R square will be there, then R equals to under root 4, so then R equals to 2 or minus 2 also. Here both answers are possible because for square root plus or minus answers are possible now. Next, 11th question, find the sum of first 20 even numbers. So it is 2 marks question. So the list of the even numbers is, even numbers means a number which is divisible by 2 completely, so those numbers are called even numbers. So 2 is the first even number, 6 8 dash. Let's verify whether this list forms AP or not. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and A3 minus A2, 6 minus 4 also 2. Here differences are common, so then they are in the AP and the D value is 2 and A value also 2. So let's use the SN formula, n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so because here last term is not available, so how many even numbers said? 20 even numbers. So n value 20, so 20 by 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into d value 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are, so it is equals to 10 into 2 twos are 4 plus 20 minus 1 19, 19 twos are 38. It is equals to 10 into 4 plus 38 is 42. So 420 is our first 20 even numbers. 12th question, if p minus 1, p plus 3, 3p minus 1 are in AP, then what is the p value? It is 2 mark question. So are in AP, so then definitely these three terms will follow the common difference. So first difference is A2 minus A1, second difference is A3 minus A2, common means equal symbol. A2 means P plus 3 minus A1 means, here take the bracket, P minus 1, A3 means 3P minus 1 minus A2 means, here take the bracket, P plus 3. So here P plus 3, now remove the bracket, minus P plus 1. So 3p minus 1, remove the bracket, minus p minus 3. So plus p minus p cancel, 3 plus 1 is 4, and here 3p minus p is 2p, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So now 4 plus 4, here minus 4 transposed to left side, so it is equals to 2p. So then 8 equals to 2p, then 8 by 2, how much? 4. So the p value is how much? 4 is the answer. Next, 13th question, write the GP if the first term a equals to 3 and the common ratio r equals to 2. So geometry progression is first term a, second term ar, third term ar square. So enough minimum 3 terms. Substitute a and r values. So a value 3, ar 3 into 2, ar square 3 into 2 square dash. So 3 comma 3 2s are 6. So 3 into 2 square is 4 dash. So finally 3 6 3 4s are 12 dash is a required geometry progression. Next, 14th question, in an AP, if d equals to minus 4, n equals to 7, an equals to 4, then what is the a value? To find out the a value, here an equals to 4 given, so use that one. An equals to 4, an formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 4. So now substitute d and n values. So here a is required, n value 7 and minus 1 into d value minus 4 equals to 4. So a plus 7 minus 1 is 6 into minus 4 equals to 4. Now a 6 into minus 4 is 20 minus 24 equals to 4. So a equals to 4 plus 24. So a equals to 28. So the last question is the list of the numbers minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2 dash is, here 4 options are given. Whether this list of the numbers, first option AP with d minus 16 or AP with d 4 or AP with d minus 4, not on AP. So which is a suitable option? In every option he is asking whether it is AP or not. So anyhow let's find out the differences. So A2 minus A1 equals to minus 6 minus of minus 10. So minus 6 minus of minus 10 is plus 10. So answer is 4. Next, the second difference A3 minus A2. See, A3 minus A2 means minus 2, minus of minus 6. So minus 2, minus of minus 6 plus 6, minus 2 plus 6 is 4. So here differences are common, so definitely it is in the AP, and with difference D equals to 4. So option B is correct. I hope you understand these answers. Thank you.